Hey there, welcome to the Artistic Homes. Today I'm going to share a simple DIY lamp project to brighten up our homes. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for further videos. But now, let's get started. This is our lamp. Using some earthy product make me feel so good. Let's move on to our project. I'm taking a mango tree branches here. Using some saw, I'm going to cut down the bulge area of the stems. Cut down the extras as well. Cut down the stems according to the need. Likewise, make more stems for the lamp. I'm going to take a plastic base. If you have wood base or steel base, you can use that as well. I'm using a Flex Apex hot glue here. To make the glue stick properly, I'm going to remove the outer skin of the stem by using some knife. Not the entire part, just according to the size of a base. Pour some generous amount of glue to make the stem stick properly. As it is a DIY project, everything is a trial and error. So we have to choose the right stem, stick in the right place. After placing a stem, you have to gently press it down to make them stick well. Now it's done. Let's continue this process. As it is a very bigger stick, it needs more glue to stick with. During this process, you have to be very careful with your fingers as well, because the glue is very sticky and it's very hard to pull it off. Continue this process until you cover all the base area. Fill the gap between the two stems by using some smaller stems. Now it's done. Even though it looks naturally good, I decided to give some additional touches. So I'm going to take some white acrylic paint. Using some dry brush, I'm going to thinly coat all the stems. And also, I don't want to ruin the natural texture of the stems as well. Using some small brush, I'm going to cover the gap between the stems by using the white acrylic paint. You can done this process before sticking the sticks as well, but I forgot to do that, so I'm doing right now. Now I am done with coloring. I am going to give some additional touches by using some jute ropes in the bottom of the lamp. Now it's done. Let's take a look in the night view. So beautiful, isn't it? Please do try and enjoy styling.
I hope you enjoyed the lamp walk. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon, and also send me a feedback in the comment section below. Bye. Take care.